Hello, guys. Welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today video, we will solve the new questions which is asking in the interviews. The question is, find a Java program to check leap year or not. How to solve these questions? People get confused when they're asking these questions in interview. To solving these questions, you don't have to too much headache. Just think two things here. Let's suppose here we have example. If the year is satisfied either of the condition, it's consider a leap year. Means the first condition should be the year must be divisible by 100. This is the first condition. Second one is the year must be divisible by 4 but not 100. This is the second condition. Then only it will be a leap year. Otherwise, it will not. So, how to implement this in the Java? So, let's implement this. For that, first of all, need to import our main method. Inside of main method, we need a one variables that is a int year. So the year is let's suppose 2024 is a year. Uh, what happened? Okay, yeah. Is equal to. Then after this, so the first condition is the year must be divisible by 400 or to 2 in the coding. Don't worry about it. It's very easy. Just if the year should be the so our year should percentile 400 means it will be divisible by 400 and is equal to 0. Then what we have to print this out the year plus concatenate is a leap year. Leap year. This is our first condition. The second one is the years must be divisible by 4 but not 100. Here the people will be getting confused. But not means what? How to implement that? So to implement that, just need else if our the next conditions. So the year should divisible by 4. So just percentile by 4 is equal to 0. And because both the conditions should be true, but not divisible by 100. They have two conditions and both should true. Both should be true, we have to use AND operators because AND operator it represent the if the both the condition is true, then only it will return the true values. Otherwise, it will not. So and here should percentile 100 not equal to 0. We're just using the not operators here. What you have to print this out year plus is a leap year. Leap year. Or else we need a one more condition. So what if not? Then we just use else sys out year is not a leap year. So our implementation is done now. What we need to do, just run our programs and check it is working fine or not. Let's run this. See, 2024 is a leap year. Let's check another one. What if not? 2020 is a leap year. So which one is not? Let me check in. So, so let's check 2025. Might be it will not a leap year. So 2025. Run this. 2025 is not a leap year. This is the way of implement the leap year. You can implement by the method as well, static method as well, non-static method as well. But you just have to acknowledge this is the basics programs concept. So we just explain with the basics way. You can implement your own way, but the condition should be same. The condition means the logic is here, na? That will be same. Whatever if you are writing in the method, also the it will be a same. So don't worry about it. That's all about it is in this video. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.